The best chicken pot pie you'll have in your life. White onion. 3 medium carrots. 4 ounces of mushrooms. A fuck ton of garlic. Parsley with the stems. Nobody got time to fucking pick that shit out. 2.5 pounds of smoked chicken breast. I didn't tape it with bacon, like 4 ounces. Bacon, garlic, onion, 4 tablespoons of butter, the carrots, mushrooms, and cook for a bit. Add half a cup of flour and let that cook for about a minute. 2 cups of chicken stock, a cup of milk, and a cup of half and half. Salt, pepper to taste. Let that thicken up. Add a cup of peas, your chicken, and let that cook for a bit. Oh, and the parsley. This is your last chance to taste it, so make sure it's good. Pour that into a 2.5 quart dish of your choosing. A cast iron pan also works really well. Smooth that out and cover with puff pastry. Cut off the excess and use it to cover any holes that you might have. Poke some holes in the top and brush it with half and half. Then you'll just bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and turn that down to 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Follow these directions, put whatever you want in the gravy, and I swear this will be